Hey Neon folks, thanks for tuning in. It's the Christmas week. Merry Christmas if you celebrate that. I haven't really found time to do anything neon in the past weeks, but at least today I can do a bit. Well, first of all, thank you all for subscribing to the channel, putting your likes and comments. I have reached 100 subscribers a few weeks ago, and 100 is YouTube's threshold, so you can make your own custom web address. So the old address for the channel looked something like this. And now thanks to your subscriptions, I could get the youtube.com/c for channels/neon science stuff. And it doesn't matter if you write uppercase or lowercase letters. So on the table you see my color sample board, in case you haven't seen my other video where I explain all the phosphors and the noble gases. Please have a look at that before and then come back here. Today I'm going to extend the board because I have ordered some more nice colored glass from Italy. You see the stick up there. The colored glass is made in Murano. That's an island next to Venice that is famous for their glass production and glass art. And then Technolux use that glass and coat it and sell it around the world. So on the board I have left one glass tube with a GTO wire inside as a spacer for future editions, but I didn't think that I would get so many additional colors, so I had this piece of wood left over that I sawed off from this board once, so I put it back on and also fitted a larger transformer because the other one was getting too small for the total tubing length, and this one has the IEC connector, which comes in handy if I want to carry the board somewhere else so I don't get tangled up with the cord. And also it has a dimmer that I don't really need on this board, and a pull switch, which is never wrong. Alright, so I will now dismount the old glass tube spacer, put on these new tube supports. I'm using these tube supports from England on this board. They have a plastic base. Where's the camera here? A little plastic base, and this threaded part, you can cut off the thread if you want it shorter, and then it goes in here and is height adjustable by twisting it. Okay, all wired up, and this is of course another argon filled tube, argon and mercury, and I'll now take you through the single colors. Alright, as you know, it's difficult to get a good color reproduction. I'm playing with the camera settings right now. So here we have light green, bright green glass, then this is the classic ruby red, blood red color. This is citrus orange, and I have to play with the camera to get the right... Yeah, this is about the right look of it. Then this is cobalt blue, sometimes also called bromo blue, the dark blue glass. And here we have ocean blue, these two down here, this tube, and this is clear glass with a colored phosphor. So this has a blue phosphor, ocean blue. Let's try to get it the way it really looks. Yeah, like that maybe. This is traffic light orange, and this is purple. It doesn't look anything like this in reality as it looks on my camera. Maybe it has a UV part that the camera can't detect, so it's a classic purple color. Yeah, here it is. This might be the right color. And this one is called aquamarine, and I have to turn the camera down again. This is maybe the real look of the aquamarine. And that's how they all look turned off. So we have light green, aquamarine, ruby red, purple. I think purple has the same glass as cobalt blue and just a different phosphor. Then citrus orange, traffic light orange, ocean blue, and cobalt blue. Alright, thanks for checking out the video. Have a good time. See you soon. Bye then.